Are you ready to make tinctures? What are tinctures, you ask? Well, tinctures are a concentrated herbal extract, and you can use either vodka or apple cider vinegar. And what they do is they pull out the active ingredients in the plant parts. They've been used for generations to help with a wide variety of health issues and just to support overall well-being. Tinctures are really easy to make. This is dried Echinacea. I'd like to get ready for cold and flu season right now, and here's how to make it. Since these are dried, you use a lot less than if you use fresh because they will expand with the vodka. So I'm filling this up about a quarter way full of dried herbs, and I'm just finishing them off. And then I'm adding the vodka. Okay. Put a nice tight lid on and shake. And then you just put it in a cool, dark place for 6 to 8 weeks. And you're done. My Echinacea tincture has now been sitting for about 6 weeks in a cool, dark place. And now I'm ready to transfer it into the dropper bottles. And here we have it. So this cold and flu season, I'll let you know how they worked.